Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my class today. So in the last class we were discussing remote control kit. Okay, we already had started scene 1, the first page. The end of the paragraph that we had studied, that was Dad is telling to Tony that please come and help me. So that time Tony goes to his dad and he is helping him to mend the remote control, and dad gives him the microchip. So he is holding the microchip in his hand, and dad also is instructing him, telling him that hold the microchip properly. If it loses, the microchip will lose, then the video cannot work, the remote will not work. So you hold it properly. So next what happened, we will read from here. Okay, I will read the first line, so listen carefully. Tony holds the microchip in one hand and sweet in other. By mistake he puts the wrong hand to his mouth and swallows the microchip. Okay, so what happened here is Tony holds the microchip. Father is giving the microchip to Tony. So he is holding the microchip in his hand. Then what he was doing? He also was eating sweets. I hope you remember. He was also eating sweets. So one hand he was holding the microchip. In another hand he was holding sweets. So what happened was, by mistakenly he thought it was sweet. So he took the other hand into his mouth, and what he did, instead of sweets he ate the microchip. He swallowed the microchip. Then Tony, in a loud wail, oops, Dad, what's up? Tony, choking, I just swallowed the microchip. Daisy, morning. Oh Tony, how shall I play my video games now? Mom, rushing into the room. Quick, call the doctor. Dad, stop fussing. It won't hurt him. It was no bigger than one of his tiny toffees. Mom, right, then come and have your dinner. Tony, what is for dinner? Mom, rice, curry, dosha and sambar. Daisy and Tony together, wow. Okay. So after he swallows the microchip, Tony wailed, means he made a loud noise. He cried aloud, oops. Then Dad is telling, what happened? What is the problem? What did you do? Tony is saying, choking, surprisingly. Okay, Tony is saying, surprisingly, I just swallowed the microchip. What did he do? He thought that it was a sweet, so unknowingly he swallowed the microchip. Then Daisy, moaning, means little making noise, grumbling. Oh Tony, how shall I play my new video games? Okay, so Daisy is telling that you swallowed the microchip. Now, how can I play the video games? Then Mom is saying, rushing into the room. After hearing the noise, Mom was in the kitchen. So she rushed to the room, means she came first to the room. Then she is telling, call the doctor quickly. Let the doctor come quickly. Then Dad is telling, stop fussing, means stop making fun or stop making big issue. It won't hurt him. It was no bigger than one of his tiny toffees. The microchip is not a big thing. It is a small thing. It is smaller than the toffee. So it will not hurt him, or it will not cause any problem to him. So do not need to call the doctor. Then Mom is telling, right then, come and have your dinner. Okay, whatever may be happen, let it be. So you can come and have your dinner. Then Tony is saying, what is for dinner? He is asking him, what is there for dinner? Then Mom is saying, rice, curry, dosa and sambar. So what did she prepare for dinner? She had prepared rice, then some curry, then dosha and sambar. Okay. Daisy and Tony together, what did they do? They said, wow, because they like all this food. So they said loudly, wow, and they were very happy. Okay, so the scene 2 we will discuss in the next video. Then till then, thank you so much and have a beautiful day.